Okay, how you doing? Hope you're well, hope you're safe. On the menu today we're going to make this amazing chicken curry, coconut in there, but very spicy. We're going to make a little paste first of all, with some seeds and some onions, grind that up, get our chicken cooked, add the coconut milk. This is wonderful, this is really wonderful. Okay, so let's get started on this first part. So I've got my pan here, my wok, and I've got some oil in there. I'm using a sunflower oil. Let's just take a look at these guys here. So I've got here, and by the way, all of the amounts are going to be in the text below. Cumin seeds, green cardamom, black peppercorns, coriander seeds, and dried red chili. In they go. We're going to cook these for a few seconds, and then we're going to be adding our onion. I've got one large onion there chopped, and that goes. Going to add a little bit of salt. So all of our beautiful whole seeds are in there, our onions are in, and a little bit of salt. I'm going to cook this for about 4 to 5 minutes on a fairly lively heat. I'll see you then. Okay, that's like 4 to 5 minutes. Now I'm going to add in some garlic ginger paste, nice heaped tablespoon there. And we're going to add in some powders now. Turmeric, chili and cumin, like 2 teaspoons each. Staying on this heat. Let's just cook this for 2 minutes, and then we're going to add just a little bit of coconut milk to it. Fabulous. Okay, off goes the heat. Tiny amount of coconut milk. Give that a mix in. Just let that cool down for a few minutes, and then we need to put that in a grinder and make a paste. Okay, so I'm back with the same pan. I've just added a little bit more oil. There's our paste there, beautiful, what you just done. Now I've got some chicken here, I've got chicken parts. I've got 1 kg of chicken, all different parts, in it goes. Medium heat, I want to fry this around for about 5 minutes. Okay, so this chicken is not cooked all the way through, but we've got some nice colour on it. It's picked up some of the colour from the pan as well. Now I'm going to add some fresh chilies. Now the fresh chilies I'm adding are quite a lot. This is quite a hot dish actually, but it's balanced out with the coconut milk. And what I've done is I've just cut mine down the centre as opposed to chopping them. You can go either way. Now it's time to get our lovely paste that we made earlier. Get that in. And we're going to cook that with the chicken for about another 3 to 4 minutes. Keep it moving now all the time. This is looking absolutely fabulous. Right, just going to add a little bit more salt and coconut milk. I'm going to add half a litre of coconut milk, which is just under a pint. What we need to do now is get that heat onto a nice simmer, get a lid on this and let it go for about 10 to 12 minutes. It's going to be amazing. Okay, off goes the heat. Look at that. That is absolutely wonderful. Now that is super spicy. Well, for me it is anyway. But the coconut milk does give it a nice balance. Check that for salt. It's going to be fine for me. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We will see you soon. Lots of love.